Welcome to Italy, a land where time stands still, yet history speaks through every cobblestone, every sun-soaked hill, and every whisper of the sea breeze. From its ancient ruins to its Renaissance masterpieces, Italy isn't just a destination. It's a journey through the wonders of human achievement and the breathtaking beauty of nature. But what makes Italy so enchanting? What secrets lie hidden in its past and present? Today, we'll uncover the wonders of Italy that continue to captivate hearts across the world. Picture this. A golden sunset casts its glow over a lively piazza, where history and modern life collide. This is the essence of Italy, a country where every corner holds a story, every meal is an art form, and every moment feels like stepping into a dream. But Italy is more than just romance, it's a treasure chest of wonders that have shaped the world as we know it. So let's embark on a journey to explore what makes Italy a place like no other. Our journey begins in the heart of Italy, Rome, the Eternal City. For over 2,500 years, Rome has been the epicenter of culture, power, and innovation. Imagine standing in the shadow of the Colosseum where gladiators once battled for glory. Feel the echoes of the past in the Roman Forum where emperors walked and monumental decisions shaped history. And then there's the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient engineering that still inspires architects today. In Rome, the past isn't just remembered, it's alive. Within Rome lies another wonder, the smallest country in the world, Vatican City. Home to St. Peter's Basilica and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel, it's a testament to humanity's devotion to art and spirituality. Michelangelo's frescoes in the Sistine Chapel are a reminder of what humans can achieve when they dare to dream big. Next we float to Venice, a city unlike any other. Built on 118 small islands, Venice is a labyrinth of canals, bridges, and historic buildings. It's as if time itself slows down here. Picture yourself gliding on a gondola under the Rialto Bridge or wandering through St. Mark's Square, where the iconic basilica gleams like a jewel. Venice isn't just a city, it's a poetic masterpiece brought to life. Venice is also a hub of tradition. The art of mask making, a craft tied to the mysterious Carnival of Venice, is a reminder of the city's rich cultural tapestry. Every mask tells a story, much like the city itself, a story of resilience, creativity, and beauty. Our next stop takes us to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. This city gave birth to some of history's greatest minds, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Dante, just to name a few. The Florence Cathedral, with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi, is a masterpiece that changed the course of architecture forever. Florence is a treasure trove of art. Step into the Uffizi Gallery, and you'll find yourself face to face with works that have defined Western culture. Each painting, each sculpture, is a piece of a larger story, a story that continues to inspire the world. Leaving the cities behind, we journey into the heart of Tuscany. Here, nature and humanity exist in perfect harmony. Rolling hills dotted with vineyards and olive groves create a landscape so picturesque, it feels like stepping into a painting. Tuscany isn't just about scenery, it's about flavor. This region is the birthplace of culinary traditions that have stood the test of time. From Chianti wine to handmade pasta, every bite is a celebration of simplicity and quality. It's not just food, it's a way of life. Heading south, we find ourselves on the Amalfi Coast, where rugged cliffs meet the shimmering Mediterranean Sea. Villages like Positano and Ravello cling to the cliffs as if suspended in time. This coastline isn't just beautiful, it's magical. The lemon groves, the sun-drenched beaches, and the vibrant local culture make it feel like paradise on earth. And then there's the limoncello, Italy's sunshine in a glass. Sipping this zesty liqueur while gazing at the endless horizon is a moment you'll never forget. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, is a land of contrasts. Here, ancient Greek temples stand proudly alongside Baroque cities. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento is a window into a world long past, while Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, reminds us of nature's untamed power. Sicily's wonders extend to its cuisine. From arancini to cannoli, every dish is a testament to the island's rich history and diverse influences. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss. Italy is more than a country. It's a masterpiece, a mosaic of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the eternal city of Rome to the sun-soaked shores of the Amalfi Coast, every moment spent here feels like a gift from the past to the present. So, what's your favorite wonder of Italy? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mystic Mirror for more journeys through the wonders of our world.